Pikachu. We on PBS Kids. PBS Kids. Hi, Pikachu. Already played. We've got a funny game about Nature Can. Let's go meet Nature Can.
Why, hello there. Welcome to our website, adventurer. Welcome to the games page.
We're gonna play a funny
Look at all the
game.
games you can play.
We're gonna play Nature Road Trip. So we're gonna each take some wood. Pikachu, what do you want to be? I want to be Nature Cat because Nature Cat's the same color as me. Good choice, Pikachu.
Oh, hi, it's me, Hal. Today.
Oops, wrong. Wait,
Oh, hi, it's me, Hal. Today.
That's right, Preston. It worked. It's a Nature Road Trip.
What a great day for a road trip. Hey, what?
Let's do this.
The Ronald's ready. Oh, yeah, baby.
Oh, man, cut the mouse head.
I can. We start here and visit as many parks as we can.
Except for one thing, Nature Cat.
Remember,
have to make
if
sure
we
stop
fish
at
all
every
them to
park
get
and
all
pick
the
up a
needs
souvenir
and have
to prove that we were there.
Who do you want to be on your road trip team? You can choose from 1 to 5 characters to
Pikachu,
play.
and you go first? Yes.
Onward and
Pikachu,
trailward.
you're the first one. And EB's gonna be Hal.
You can choose another. I love road trips. It's me, Hal.
Squirtle's gonna choose Daisy.
Sweet.
Hi, Squirtle. And Mudkip
Count
is
the mouse in.
gonna be Squeaks. And finally, Treacle's gonna be Ronald.
It's about time.
Who do you think will win? Leave a comment down below. You have 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. Thank you. Now it starts.
Time to start our road trip. Spin the...
Oh, wow, Pikachu again.
Onward and trailward.
Look.
You build an urban habitat for bugs and birds on Sadie's balcony. You earn 10.
Wow.
Earn 100 points or more to win photos at the trip.
How? I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Chandler the Toad takes you to see a mushroom fairy ring. You earn 25.
Wow.
For me, Squeaks, or Ronald, you earn another 10.
Daisy.
Shh.
Choose a highlighted space and move on down the trail. Time to make a move.
I promise.
Choose
Man, oh man.
So I was just going to use the
Stream crossing. Spin again.
I wonder what we'll get. We'll get a plus sign, not a minus sign. More 20! Yay!
Squeaks.
Let's pick the arrow.
Let's do this, man.
You build an urban habitat for bugs and birds on Sadie's balcony. You earn 10. Ronald. It's Ronald time. You successfully follow nature trail signs and find a hidden lake. You earn 5.
Wow! 17.
Nature hat. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Welcome to Niagara Falls.
Okay, guys, we're gonna play Niagara Falls.
Smallmouth bass can survive a trip over Horseshoe Falls, one of the 3 falls that make up Niagara Falls.
I'm gonna hit with my
You only
fingers
have a
to
short
my mouth.
time to tap on as many of them as you can. The more you tap, the more nature energy you earn. Earn enough nature energy and win a park souvenir. Niagara Falls Falls is made up of 3 waterfalls: American Falls, Horseshoe Falls, and Bridal Veil
Hello.
Falls.
Hey. Nah.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Spin that spinner, Hal!
Whatever.
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do. Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn!
I just love these wild places.
And now,
I'm gonna start again because I got it wrong. Because I missed the Niagara Falls souvenir. Let's try again.
who do you want to be?
I remember who's going to either go first. Oops.
So we count the mouse.
It's about time. It's my turn. There's so much nature to see. It's
See.
your turn, Hal, my pal. I just love nature. Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
You successfully follow nature trail signs and find a hidden lake. You earn 5 weeks. Spin away.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald. Boom shakalaka. Stream crossing. Spin again. Onward and spinward. Onward and trailward.
Welcome to Niagara Falls.
Do you think I'll win?
Small
I'll
mouth
win.
bass can survive a trip over Horseshoe Falls, one of the 3 falls that make up Niagara Falls.
You only have a short time to tap on as many of them as you can. The more you tap, the more nature energy you earn. Earn enough nature
Spike
energy and win a park
souvenir.
souvenir.
I think I'll win. Look, I understand. To keep
The
hitting.
Niagara River starts at Lake Erie and ends at Lake Ontario.
We did!
flowing down
But
more
let's
than
keep hitting
300
more
feet
fish.
From start to finish. The biggest drop, of course, is over the falls. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir!
And look how much energy I had. I won. Let's keep
Get
putting.
ready for the mighty trail, Hal. I think I'll frolic to my next spot. You successfully follow nature trail signs and find a hidden lake. You earn 5. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho.
Man, oh man, this is sweet.
I just really
Stream
like this
crossing.
game.
Spin again.
-5. Let's
Onward
try.
and cheeseward, Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese.
Ronald, may the spin be with you. Ronald's on the board, baby. The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. How?
Wait. Hold on.
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do. Daisy.
I just love these wild places.
Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I just said that.
Man, oh man.
Uh-oh, dead
Dead
battery.
battery. If you're me, Daisy, you stick around to recharge and go back to your
It's okay.
previous spot.
Let's
It's
do
not
this.
Daisy.
There's so much nature to see. Bath time. Whoa. My pal Hal needs a bath. Spin again. Spin that spinner, Hal. I just love nature. Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
It's your lucky day, baby. You found an arrowhead. You earn 25. And now the
Yay.
slow but mighty Squeaks.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Bison crossing. Spin again. Ronald. Boom Parker. Nature Cat. Onward and trail.
Map to Yellowstone National Park.
Welcome to Yellowstone National Park.
I will win this
More
time.
geysers in Yellowstone than
Look for
anywhere else
geysers.
on Earth. Old Faithful is Yellowstone's best.
There was a geyser from the tea party from the backyard games. Did you ever see it? Do you think I'll get them all or no?
One of Yellowstone's more than 500 geysers. It's the largest in the world. When it erupts,
Hey,
it
guys.
can reach heights of more than 300 feet.
Uh-oh. Go. Hey. Yay! I got some
It's your turn, Halma pal. I think I'll frolic to my next spot. Give it a super spin, Daisy.
Man, oh man, this
Good.
is sweet! Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Squeaks, spin away.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese.
Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald. Ronald's on the board, baby. It's my turn. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal. Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho.
I just love these wild places.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Ronald, may the spin be with you. It's Ronald time.
Man, oh man, you haven't been able to take a picture of a praying mantis for the Bugaboo Bash. You lose 10. If you're me, Daisy, or my pal Squeaks, you lose another 10.
Onward and spinward. There's so much nature to see. How? I just love nature. Bison crossing. Spin again.
Oh.
Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
No.
Man, oh man, you haven't been able to take a picture of a praying mantis for the Bugaboo Bash. You lose 10. If you're me, Daisy, or my pal Squeaks, you lose another 10.
Squeaks.
Uh-oh.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. Boom, I can't believe I just said that. The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho. Onward and trailward. Spin that spinner, Hal. I think I'll frolic to my next spot. Oh yeah. It's Daisy's turn.
Man, oh man, this
And that's
is
the Grand
sweet.
Canyon.
Welcome to Grand Canyon National Park.
I'll tap with my finger.
There
You
are
ready,
22
guys?
species of bats that live in the Grand Canyon. Man, oh man, they fly fast. Can you spot them? Over a very long period of time, the
I'm gonna play
Colorado
catch the
River carved
bats.
out the very deep canyon you know as the Grand Canyon. Erosion, am I right?
Let's see how much energy I can earn. Look, over that way, over that.
The Grand
Uh-oh,
Canyon is
we're running out of
18 miles
time.
across. At
We need to
its
press a
top,
lot of
it
bats.
is more than 1 mile deep.
Yeah, you got all the energy, but let's see how much. Yeah, I did it! Yeah!
And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese.
Uh-oh.
Cheese sale. If you're me, Squeaks, you stop to eat all the cheese and go back to your previous spot.
Ronald.
Squeeze does not want to go that way.
Ronald's on the board, baby. You hike to the bottom of the Grand Canyon with Granny Bunny. Love you, Granny Bunny. You earned 25. If you're me, Hal, or my pal Daisy Tutu also, you get another 10. Let's do this. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. It's your turn, Hal, my pal. Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
I do not want to go that way and get that bugaboo bash, so I'm gonna go that way.
Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I just love these wild places.
Squeaks, spin away.
Let's do this, man.
Squeaks is really big, so he can go that way.
Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald. It's Ronald time. Nature Cat. There's so much nature to see.
Let's go that way to the Great Salt Lake.
Welcome to the
We
Great
did
Salt
it!
Lake.
We at the Great Salt Lake. Watch what's gonna happen next. Close your eyes, no
This salty
peeking.
body of water is an important stop for millions of migrating birds every fall and spring. Wait, did I just say that?
As many as 500,000.
Keep closing your eyes, I'll tell you when it
The Great
opens.
Salt Lake is a resting place when they migrate.
Just not.
There are no fish in the Great Salt Lake. It's too salty. But you can find lots of tiny brine shrimp and brine
Close your
fries.
eyes.
That's good eating for hungry migrating birds.
Open your eyes. Look what I have. Ducks. Now close your eyes. Open.
Congratulations
that's a great
on
one.
winning your park souvenir.
Four souvenirs. See where they go. Then I'll be an expert.
Ah, I just love nature. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally ho.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Green bean power. You earn 25. If you're me, Nature Cat, or my pal Squeaks, you get 10 more. Ronald, may the spin be with you. Boom shakalaka. It's my turn. Onward and trailward. How? I think I'll frolic to my next spot. It's the strongest show on earth. Spin again. Daisy.
Man, oh man,
I
this
think we need
is
to get the
sweet.
tall grass paley.
Squeaks.
I don't get off nature cats.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese. Houston, we have a problem. Spin
We're
again.
almost there.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I just said that.
Ronald's on the board, baby.
Whoopsie. You forgot to make something for Aunt Reva's nature art show. You lose 15. Onward and spinward. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Spin that spinner, Hal. Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do. Oh yeah, it's Daisy's turn.
I just love these wild places.
And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
Let's do this, man. Welcome to the Tallgrass Prairie
Look,
National
the tall
Preserve.
grass is pretty. Are you ready? There's a bunch of
You'll probably hear a prairie chicken before you see
Chicken.
one. They aren't so easy to find.
I'll try.
Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve.
I'll try to look for
is
the
largest
turkeys.
stretch of tallgrass prairie left in the world. There are more than 500 species of plants in the Tallgrass Prairie National Preserve, including big and little blue stem grass, Indian grass, switchgrass, and wildflowers. Congratulations on winning your park souvenir. Ronald. It's Ronald time.
Let's go back.
It's relaxation day. If you're me, Ronald, you stick around to take a nap and go back to your previous spot. The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! There's so much nature to see.
Bison crossing! Spin again!
It's your turn, Halma pal.
Ah, I just love nature. You hike to the bottom of the Grand Canyon with Granny Bunny. Love you, Granny Bunny. You earn 25. If you're me, Hal, or my pal Daisy Tutu also, you get another 10.
Give it a super spin, Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Oh no, where's Mr. Chewinski? If you're me, Hal, you search for where you buried him and go back to your previous spot.
Squeaks, spin away.
That's good. That is it.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald. Boom shakalaka. Let's do this. Onward and trailward.
No way, man. All the strawberries for Sadie are moldy. You lose 10.
Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho.
Man, oh man, this is sweet. Codger McDowell wants to help you float across the Great Salt Lake, but you forgot your swimsuit. Rats, you lose 25. If you're me, Squeaks, or my friend Daisy, you lose another 10.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese.
Ronald, may the spin be with you. The Ronald's on the board, baby. Nature Cat. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Codger McDowell wants to help you float across the Great Salt Lake, but you forgot your swimsuit. Rats, you lose 25. If you're me, Squeaks, or my friend Daisy, you lose another 10.
How?
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Daisy.
I just love these wild places.
Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I just said that. It's my turn. There's so much nature to see. Spin that spinner, Hal.
Ah, I just love nature.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. It's Daisy's turn.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
Bath time. Whoa, my pal Hal needs a bath. Spin again. And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
Road trip? Count the mouse in. Houston, we have a problem. Spin again.
Just like that.
Ronald. Boom shakalaka.
Happy Midsummer's Day. You earned 15.
Onward and spinward. Onward and trailward.
We're not going to miss
You built
killing.
a wild
But
vehicle
don't worry.
to help Petunia
We'll
attack
keep
me.
it safe.
You earned 10.
It's your turn, Halma pal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Give it a super spin, Daisy.
Go,
Man, oh
go,
man.
go,
this
go,
is sweet.
go.
It's the strongest show on earth.
Strongest show it is. See if we don't get plus or minus. You can comment down below. Minus, oh man.
Squeaks, spin away.
That's
I
it.
think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese.
Go back. We don't want to miss the Colombo kid. Now we're here.
Welcome to Hawaii Volcanoes National Park.
Hawaii volcanoes. Are you ready? But see if we all win. Maybe. Let's see.
Pele's tears are beautiful bits of lava that have hardened. Don't they look like teardrops? A volcanologist is a scientist who studies volcanoes. They try to understand and predict volcanic eruptions and how volcanoes shape the land around them. Kilauea is known as a shield volcano with a broad cone-like shape and gentle slope. It is the youngest volcano on the island of Hawaii.
Oh, come. Now go here, come. How come? We learned all the souvenirs. Great.
You must, Ronald. Ronald's on the board, baby. The mighty trail awaits. Tally ho! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. A little help here. You get stuck in gooey tree resin. You lose 25. If you're me, Nature Cat, or my pal Hal, you lose another 10. Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal.
You have to be ahead.
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally ho!
Just one of these
Look,
wild
Squirtle almost win.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Ronald, may the spin be with you. It's Ronald time.
Nowadays, you're
Let's do this. There's so much nature to see.
Could it be? Yes! Yes! You found a piece of amber at the beach. Gorgeous. You earned 25.
How? Ah, I just love nature.
This way is a shortcut.
It's relaxation day. If you're me, Ronald, you stick around to take a nap and go back to your previous spot. Daisy.
I wonder what I'll find over here.
And the winner, first place, is Squirtle. Good job,
You
Squirtle.
still have teammates on the trail.
But we still have more. Squirtle's the first place. I wonder who's the second place. If you guess that Squirtle will win, congratulations, you were right.
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I just said that. Boom shakalaka.
Rico is second place.
You made it to the end of the trail.
You still have teammates on the trail.
Nature Cat. Onward and trailward. Spin that spinner, Hal. I think I'll frolic to my next spot. It's the strongest show on Earth. Spin again. And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese.
Congratulations,
And
adventurer.
Mudkip
You made
is
it
third
to the
place.
trail.
You
We still have Pikachu and Eevee.
It's my turn. I sure hope there's no water on this trail.
Pikachu, congratulations. You are fourth place. And that means I think
You still have
Eevee
teammates
could.
on the trail.
That means Eevee could be in the last place. And Pikachu in here.
It's your turn, Hal, my pal. Don't you just love a road
Yeah,
trip?
you're right.
I know I
Eevee
do.
is fifth place.
Congratulations, adventurer.
Congratulations! So, Eevee came in fifth place, Pikachu came in fourth place, Mudkip came in third place, Trico came in second place, and the big prize, and the winner in our first place is Squirtle! Congratulations, Squirtle. Now let's look at the nature energy. I have 260.
Incredible.
Let's take a look.
Check out the photos
Take a
from our
look.
trail.
Is it nice and nice? The Grand Canyon,
Fond memories.
the Space Dark Lake, and Niagara Falls.
You collected all the
Congratulations! That was a good game. Give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell, and comment down below to tell me what you're. Bye, Pokemon. And so, okay, see you next time. Later. See you soon. See you later. And comment down below what your favorite souvenir is. And what's your favorite place for Nature Cat? And what's your favorite Nature Cat character? We'll see you next time for a new game. Bye!